Oh, this one looks hard too.
I can help you.
Oh, thank you. What a nice hand.
Hello everybody, this is page 29 and it's the start of Unit 4. So we're going to do the Let's Talk part of the workbook. And before we start doing any of this, let's just watch the video again.
Hi, Mom. I'm home.
Hi, Kate. Who's this?
This is my friend Scott.
Hi. It's nice to meet you, Scott.
It's nice to meet you too.
Let's play.
Okay.
It's nice to meet you.
Okay, and now let's start on our page. There's some check marks here because I let a student use my book. All right, the first part says read and number. All right, and we've got this one here with number 1. Kate says, "Hi, Mom. This is my friend Andy." This is number 1. Which one's number 2? "It's nice to meet you, Andy." Or, "It's nice to meet you too." That's right, this one's number 2. And Andy says, "It's nice to meet you too." Part A is done. All right, and this is part B. It just says trace and write. And we're going to be making sentences about the family members. So we have father, let's erase this. Father, mother, sister, and brother over here. And we have to make a sentence like, "This is my," The person is gesturing or pointing to them, and they're all families, so they're using my. All right, let's start with number 1. We can just trace. This is my mother. This is my mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother is done. Next, who is this? Do you think this is the father, the sister, or the brother? Yep, let's go with sister. So she says, "This is my sister." S-I-S-T-E-R. Okay, next one. Do you think this is the father or the brother? Yep, father. So we'll write this, T-H-I-S, space is, space my, space father, F-A-T-H-E-R. The last one must be brother. Yes, it is. So again, we'll go this, T-H-I-S, is my brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Part B is done and we're finished. Good job, everybody.